Welcome back. Now, Gutenberg also gives you what's called the verse block. And you can find the verse block by writing in the word verse. You'll see that in the formatting block area. When you open up the block, what you'll notice is it looks very much like the paragraph block. Now, what's different is that it allows line breaks exactly how you type it. So for example, if we were to write in a simple verse, you'll notice that we can use this special spacing format. Now you can do some of this inside of the paragraph area. However, this is going to appear just as you type it. So for example, if we were to look at this as edited by HTML, you'll see a different kind of HTML than you would see inside of the paragraph block. And just as you can with the paragraph content, you can then align this inside of the block, and you can perform any of the text functions on them. Now the other thing you can do is you can transform this into a paragraph block. And again, you'll notice it looking pretty much the same, although you will have control over how your text appears inside of a paragraph block. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.